Hello guys, this video is about laws of exponents. By Dia and I, second year learners PU College.
The fundamentals of laws of exponents is explained by using the concept phi w1h, which means what, why, when, who, where and how.
I wonder, how far is the moon from here? The moon is 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometers from the earth. What is 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometers? 3.84 into 10 to the power of 5 kilometers is the exponential form. Exponents are used to measure large distances. Exponents are used in a variety of ways, most often when talking about very big or very small things. Exponents have their own set of rules when it comes to carrying out arithmetic operations. In this video, we will learn about exponents as a representation, history of exponents, laws of exponents, and their application. What are exponents? When we have to repeatedly multiply a number by itself, we raise it to a power. This is known as exponent. The power in the exponent represents the number of times that we want to carry out the multiplication operation. How to represent exponents? 10 to the power of 5. Here, 5 is called the exponent and 10 is called the base. So 10 to the power of 5 is equal to 10 multiplied by itself for 5 times. Example 1. The expanded form of 47,561 can also be written in a shorter form as 4 into 10 to the power of 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power of 3 plus 5 into 10 to the power of 2 plus 6 into 10 plus 1 into 1. Let us look at another example where the expanded form of 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 to the power of 4. Some powers have special names. For example, 10 to the power of 2, which is 10 raised to the power of 2, also read as 10 squared. 10 to the power of 3, which is 10 raised to the power of 3, also read as 10 cubed. History of exponents. The history of exponents dates back who and when. Euclid is credited with the first known usage of exponents in geometric equations. Archimedes generalized the idea of powers. Nicholas was the first to use exponential notation in 1484. What we have today was created a long time ago. Almost 8 centuries have passed since that time. Exponents with negative bases. If the base is negative and the exponent is an even number, the final product will always be a positive number. If the base is negative and the exponent is an odd number, the final product will always be a negative number.
Laws of exponents. Archimedes was the one who discovered and proved the law of exponents in his work, The Sand Reckoner. When the exponents are used for mathematical equations, they follow a certain set of laws that makes the equations easy to solve and simple to understand. Law 1. Multiplying powers with the same base. When multiplying two numbers that have the same base, then we can add the exponents as x raised to m into x raised to n equals x raised to m plus n. Example: 4 raised to 2 into 4 raised to 3 equals 4 raised to 2 plus 3 equals 4 raised to 5. Another example: minus 3 raised to 4 into minus 3 raised to 2 equals minus 3 raised to 4 plus 2, which is equals to minus 3 raised to 6. Second law, dividing power with the same base. When dividing two numbers that have the same base, then we can subtract the exponents as x raised to m divided by x raised to n equals x raised to m minus n. Example: 5 raised to 5 divided by 5 raised to 2 equals 5 raised to 5 minus 2 equals 5 raised to 3. Third law, taking power of a power. If a number raised to a power, just multiply the exponent as x raised to m whole raised to n equals x raised to m into n. Example: 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2 equals 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. Here 2 raised to 3 is multiplied 2 times with itself. So 2 raised to 3 whole raised to 2 equals 2 raised to 3 into 2, which is equals to 2 raised to 6. Fourth law, multiplying powers with the same exponent. When multiplying two numbers that have the same exponents, then we can multiply the bases as x raised to m into y raised to m equals x into y raised to m. Example: 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 3 equals 2 into 3 raised to 3, which is equals to 6 raised to 3. Fifth law, dividing powers with the same exponents. When dividing two numbers that have the same exponents, then we can divide the bases as x raised to m divided by y raised to m equals x divided by y raised to m. For example, 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 equals 2 divided by 3 whole raised to 4. Sixth law, numbers with exponent 0. The number except 0 raised to the 0 power is 1. X raised to 0 equals 1. Example: 7 raised to 4 divided by 7 raised to 4 equals 7 divided by 7 whole raised to 4 minus 4, which is equals to 7 divided by 7 whole raised to 0, which is equals to 1. Seventh law, number with negative exponent. Reciprocal law. The number with negative exponent is represented in terms of positive exponent by taking its reciprocal, that is, the given number is a decimal number. X raised to minus m equals 1 by x raised to m. Example: 5 raised to minus 4 equals 1 by 5 raised to 4. Isaac Newton was the first to start using negative exponents in the year 16. Fractional exponents. In fractional exponents, the numerator is the part to which the number should be taken and the denominator is the root which should be taken. X raised to m by n equals nth root of x raised to m. Example: 4 raised to 3 by 2 equals square root of 4 cube equals square root of 64 equals 8. Applications. Where do we use exponents? When it comes to mathematical concepts, tiny numerical superscripts called exponents can intermediate even the most earnest student. One thing that helps stop the anxiety is understanding the importance of exponents in everyday math applications. Some Real-world applications include understanding scientific scales like the pH scale or the Richter scale, using scientific notion to write very large or very small numbers and taking. Come, let's look at some problems based on laws of exponents. Question 1. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 6 whole bracket into 5 raised to 6 equals 30 raised to 6. Question 2. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. 12 raised to 4 into 9 raised to 3 into 4 divided by 6 raised to 3 into 8 raised to 2 into 27. The answer is 162. Question 3. Find the value of 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. The answer is 9. Second one. 2 to the power minus 3. The answer is 1 by 8. Question 4. Simplify and write the answer in the exponential form. 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 8 the whole raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. The answer is 1 by 2 raised to 2. Come, let's have a recap of laws of exponents. Product rule, quotient rule, power rule, zero exponent, power of product rule, power of fractional rule, negative exponent and fractional rule. Now let's see the mind map of what are exponents, why do we use exponents, how do we represent exponents, where are exponents used in daily life, who and when was exponents discovered. To conclude, I hope this video gives you a deep insight on the fundamental concept of laws of exponents. Thank you.